Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to repair cracks in cob and earthen plaster. It's quick and easy, and all you need is some water, a wet cloth, and if you have very large cracks you might need a little cob or plaster to fill them in with. One of the things that makes cob so great is that it's really easy to repair. Unlike when concrete cracks, you can fix it. This cottage was built by one of Uncle Mud's workshops in 2015 and was never finished. Over the years, some cracks have formed in the earthen plaster of the walls. You can tell by the size and location of the cracks that they're not structural, so they're safe to repair. Small cracks like this are very easy to repair. If you just have a single crack, you can even lick your thumb and smudge it out. But if you have a lot of cracks, it's easier to do with a damp rag. Moisten the area surrounding the crack and smooth it out. Cracks form as a natural part of the expansion and shrinking of clay as it is exposed to changes in humidity and temperature. Cob with less clay in it will be prone to less cracking, but some cracking is inevitable over time. It's actually very soothing to do. I love the sounds of working with natural materials. For cracks that are a little bit larger, you might have to go over it a few times with your rag. If you have a large crack, wet the area to help the new material adhere to it. You can then fill the crevice with more cob or plaster and smooth it out. If the rest of the surface was oiled, you might want to mix a little of the same oil into what you're using for the repair. These holes were made by a drill. It's still easy to patch them. Just make sure to wet the area really well and then fill the hole completely with cob. This is what a section of the wall we repaired looks like after it dried. If you have smaller cracks form on your own work after repair, simply repeat the process. Here are some cracks from a cob bench inside of Uncle Mud's house. The bench was one of their first projects and it experienced a lot of cracking. Heather Mudd widened the cracks with a Dremel to create these floral designs before filling them in with cob mixed with their oil. I think this really shows how your cob creations can become more beautiful over time when you take good care of them.